Hey students, good morning. How are you all? This is a new day, a new start. So, what you all are doing? You all are waiting for the video. I'm also going to wait you for the whole day. Okay. So, you all are revising your concepts. Is there any doubt which you're going to ask me? कोई डाउट है आपको द ए लेटर वर्ड्स ई लेटर वर्ड्स कहीं पे भी अगर आपको डाउट आ रहा हो इन एक्टिविटीज पार्ट इन योर ड्राइंग सेशन कोई भी अगर आपको डाउट है तो आप मैम को व्हाट्सएप पर शेयर कर सकते हो अपनी क्वेरीज ओके Chalo, let's start our today class. We did our first subject first. Okay, so this is your English subject. As you see on screen, this is your child-centric English perfection toolkit 1 of 2 Joyful D. So students, you have to open your book, okay, and kindly bring out pencil and erasers with you. So I'm going to open it. I'm watching you all, so you have to be focused over your English subject, okay? So first of all, open your book, come on page number 7 from your book. So in our previous session, students, what we are doing? We are doing three letter E words. Okay, I'll introduce you the upper half of this page. Fine. Three letter words we did before. Now today what we will do? We covered the second half of this page. We're gonna read all these sentences. Okay, but before that, let me ask you the words. Okay, I will write few words over here, so you try to read those words. Okay, so try to read those words with the help of phonic sounds. Okay, let me write it over here. One by one, you have to raise your hands and read those words. Wait, there was a mistake. Okay, now I will write it. Okay, I'll write it over here. Fine. Students, I'm saying it again that my pencil is not flexible, so I'm having the issue while writing the words. Okay, but you have to write. Wait, there is some technical issue, but you have to write in the same way. Okay, you have to follow the same pattern in your notebook. Okay, now you have to read those words. So for that, you have to raise your hands. I'm gonna ask it with everyone. Okay, so who will tell me the very first word? Who will read this word for me? Gunisha, you have to read it. Please read this for me, ma'am. Per, a, ter, pet. Very good, Gunisha. Well done. Okay, now who will read this word? Okay, tell me the very first word. What is the first letter? W. Okay, tell me the sound, ma'am. W. W. Watch. Very good. W. Next is who will tell me, Jasleen? What is the sound of letter E, ma'am? E. W. E. Very good. Okay. Mitakshi, what is the sound of your letter B, ma'am? It's B. W. E. B. Web. Very good, Mitakshi. Well done. Okay. Now, who will read this word? Ayushman, ma'am. T. T for T. Very good. T. A. N. 10. Very good. Okay. Harvey, you have to read the last word. What is the last word? Ma'am, it's D. A. N. Den. Very good, Harvey. Clapping for all the students. Well done. Okay, now it's a recap of your three-letter E words. Now, what we will do, we will come back to our today concept. You have to come on the second half of this page. Today we're going to read those sentences, but before that let's read what is given below. So first is read out the sentences above. So we have to read those sentences and ask children some questions related to them. So with the help of these sentence reading, I'm going to check your knowledge. How? By asking few questions. तो मैम आपसे कुछ questions put करेंगे related to that sentences. Okay, so I want कि आप पूरा concentrate यहाँ पे करो, ध्यान से read करो इसको कि यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, ठीक है, ताकि if I'm gonna ask few questions to you तो आपके पास उसके answers होने चाहिए. Okay, now the second is show children a packet of sketch pens and ask them the name 10 colors. Okay, तो आप sketch pens, if you have sketch pens so you can show sketch pens as well. if you have the crayons तो आप crayons भी show कर सकते हो और students से आप 10 colors के, उनमें से 10 colors के name you gonna ask them. Okay, so first of all, what is the first step is that you have to see this picture. So what is there in this picture? There is a boy, right? There is a boy who is creating so much fun. Okay, let's read this those sentences. So start over here. So it's N for no. N से क्या sound आती है? No. So no at the Ned. No at the Ned. Ned. L at the led. T at the Ted. To the shed. So Ned and Ted are some. Okay, students, so let's read those sentences. Okay, so as you see this picture, there is a boy who is doing lot of fun, है ना, जैसे आप enjoy करते हो तो ऐसे ही he is a boy. Let's talk about this boy. Okay, so we gonna start from here. The very first sentence, you have to put your pencil over here and start reading. Okay, use phonic sounds while read those sentences. So N, N से कौन सी sound आती है? न. And we did the E letter also. So E letter give you sound A. So N at the Ned. Ned. L at the led. T at the Ted. To the shed. So Ned led Ted to the shed. So Ned and Ted are two persons, or you can say two friends. Ned और Ted कौन है? Two friends है. So Ned क्या करता है? Ned Ted को कहाँ लेके जाता है? Shed में, right? So Ned led Ted to the shed. Ned led Ted को कहाँ लेके जाता है? Shed में लेके जाता है. There is a full stop, so you have to wait for some time. Okay, come to the next line. N at the Ned. Her at the. See, there is A, so the sound is long. At Ned had her at the had a at the red at the red solo. These are the blends. So SL will give you the sound slow. Sl at the sled. Okay. So Ned के पास क्या है? नेड हैज अ रेड स्लेड. नेड के पास क्या है? एक रेड स्लेड है. सो स्लेड के बारे में अगर मैम आपको बताएं तो स्लेड इज अ लैंड व्हीकल. ओके, स्लेड क्या होता है? एक लैंड व्हीकल होता है. जब आप हिल स्टेशन जाते हो लाइक मनाली जहाँ पे स्नोफॉल होती है तो वहां पर ये लैंड व्हीकल यूज किया जाता है ऑन अ स्मूथ सर्फेस लाइक आइस स्नो, है ना, ये स्लाइड होता है. आई विल शो यू एन इमेज. ओके, तब आपको ज्यादा क्लियर होगा. सी लाइक दिस इज अ स्लेड. तो जहाँ पर स्नोई सर्फेस होता है या फ्लैट सर्फेस होता है वहां पर आप ये इस व्हीकल का यूज करते हो फॉर स्लाइड्स, राइट? सो दिस इज अ स्लेड. This is also a kind of sled. Okay, these are the different types. This is a sled. Okay, students, see, this is a kid who is doing a lot of fun in snow. Fine. So now it's clear that what is a sled. तो नेड क्या करता है, नेड जो है वो टेड को शेड में लेके जाता है और उसको क्या दिखाता है, रेड स्लेड, दैट he is having a red sled. So Ned and A and B and this is a sight word. Ned and Ted got the sled. नेड और टेड क्या करते हैं, उनको एक स्लेड मिलता है, लेते हैं वो. नेड, न एड, नेड, ए एंड डी एंड ट एड, टेड स्लेड. तो वो क्या करते हैं, नेड और टेड स्लेड को, दैट व्हीकल, उसको वो हिल पर लेके जाते हैं. डाउन, DOW and down the, this is a sight word again, down the hill on the red sled. तो नेड और टेड क्या करते हैं, दे गो डाउन द हिल, किस पर, अपने रेड स्लेड पर वो हिल के नीचे जाते हैं. एंड इट was fun, or they will create a lot of fun. Fine. So students, this para is all about two friends, Ned and Ted. So सबसे पहले Ned क्या करता है, Ned take Ted to the shed तक लेके जाता है. So Ned had a red sled. Ned के पास क्या है, he is having a red sled. ओके, उसके पास एक रेड स्लेड है. तो नेड एंड टैड गॉट द स्लेड, उनको रेड स्लेड मिल जाता है. एंड दे गो डाउन द हिल ऑन द रेड स्लेड, वो हिल पर जाते हैं, किस पर, विद द रेड स्लेड, और दे विल क्रिएट लॉट ऑफ फन through this sled. Okay, so students, in this para we learn about two friends named Ned and Ted. Okay, मैम ने आपको ये स्टोरी आपको सुनाई है. I hope you like the story. Now I'm going to ask you few questions related to this. Fine, so you have to be ready for that. So first of all, tell me, who will like the story? You gonna love the story, yes or no? Okay, I hope so that you like this story. So now I'm going to ask you few questions related to the story. Okay, tell me the name of two friends. What is the name of two friends? Okay, who will give me the answer? Fine. So, what is the name of two friends? Ma'am, Ned and Ted. Very good. Yes, the name of two friends are Ned and Ted. Okay. So, Ned के पास क्या है? What Ned had? Ma'am, Ned had a red sled. Yes, he is having a red sled. Okay, where they go with the sled? Down the hill, right? Yes. Okay, so students, as you see, there are two questions given to you, right? So I'm going to ask these questions to you, and there are the options to you all given to you. So you have to tell me the right option. Okay, so what was in the shed? Shed में क्या था? Ned take him to the shed ना. Ned Ted को कहाँ लेके गया? Shed में लेके गया. So what was there in the shed? Okay, there are two options. So what is the first option? A hill? Is there a hill? No. A sled? Yes, there is a sled. So where you have to put a tick? You have to put a tick on the right option. Okay. Now, ready for the next question. What color was the sled? What was the color of the sled? Sled का क्या color था? Red or pink? These are the two options. You have to tell me only one option, the correct one. Ma'am, red. Very good. So you have to put a tick on the first option because that is the right one. Okay. So students, this is about your today English work. Fine. So first of all, you have to revise the three letter E words ताकि आपको sound दोबारा से revise हो, that what is the sound, phonic sound of your letter E. So you have to take a quick recap with 3 to 5 words. Okay, then you have to start reading with phonic sounds over here. Okay, and you have to listen it very correctly parents, this is the initial stage when students gonna read the sentence. Okay, so initial stage में उनको difficulty हो सकती है, but here I am to help them, and you are also there to help our kids. Okay, so please guide our kids that they have to read it with phonic sounds, because अगर आप initial stage पे उनको correction करोगे तो वो गलतियां कम करेंगे, रिपीट अपनी करेक्शंस को रिपीट नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है। तो प्लीज हेल्प आवर किड्स ड्यूरिंग sentence reading, and then you have to ask questions to our kids. there are only two questions, तो आप स्टोरी से रिलेटेड आप as much as questions put कर सकते हो to इवेल्युएट कि स्टूडेंट्स ने ध्यान से सुना है नहीं सुना है। फाइन, सो दैट्स अबाउट टुडे इंग्लिश वर्क। नाउ वी विल कम टू आवर क्रिएटिव सेशन। सो एज आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर कि हमने लास्ट प्रीवियसली वी हैड make a board with the help of number 1. So today task is that we have to do color in this art sheet. Fine. So students, you have to bring out your crayons. I'm waiting for you all. Fatafat say you have to take out your crayons, and then we will start coloring in our art sheet and make it beautiful. Right? So I'm taking my crayons. Okay, you also have to take your crayons with you. Okay, now let's start doing coloring. So students, let's start. Bring out your crayons. Okay, so students, first of all, I'm taking the red color and do it over here. Okay, here also I'm doing the red color. Do it in the same direction and don't take color out of the image. Now I'm taking the which color should I take? Yellow color, and I'm doing the yellow color over here, and I'm taking a green color, light green color. Okay, I'll take the dark green color and do it in the second portion. Fine. Wait for a while, there is some mistake. Okay, so fine. Okay, so I'm taking the green color, students, and do it over here in the second half. Fine. So my board is ready. Now I'm taking the blue color, right? This blue color, the dark blue color, and do it over here in the board. Not here in the pattern. The wavy patterns, in the wavy patterns, I'll do the. Okay, so students, in this wavy pattern, I am doing the dark blue color. Okay, so you can also do the dark blue color over here. Okay, and rest of I'll take the light blue color, the most lightest blue color I'm taking, and do it over here. So students, see, it's look so nice, so beautiful. Or if you want to enhance this worksheet, so what you can do is you can make a small sun over here. ओके, अगर आपको इसको एनहेंस करना है, ठीक है, अपनी आर्ट शीट को और ब्यूटीफुल बनाना है, सो यू कैन टेक द pencil and you will make a small sun over here, right? Over here you can take and make a sun. You all know how you have to make a sun. I'll inform you. In your previous session, you also make that sun. Okay, so you all know that how you have to make a sun. It will look so beautiful. Make one small line and one big line. Okay, now it's ready. Now you can do color in your sun. I'm taking the yellow color and do it over here. See, your art sheet will look so nice, so beautiful. Let me erase this from here. Okay, so your art sheet is ready. It looks so beautiful, students. You all have to make a art sheet like this. Okay, so that's it. I'm giving you some time to complete your artwork, and then you have to submit it on time. Fine. Okay, students, that's it for your today class, for your today session. Fine. So in this video, we had covered our English subject as well as our creative. In our your in English subject, you did reading today, and with the reading you also used to give the answers of some questions. Fine. And if we are talking about your creative work, so today you did coloring in your previous art sheet which we covered yesterday. So you have to make it very beautiful. You also have to draw a sun on top. Fine, that's it about today class. We will meet in our next session.